Many dropshippers have begun to see the need to get better suppliers for their eBay dropshipping. Several reasons prompt their decisions, but one prominent reason remains that eBay is massively flagging seller accounts for violating dropshipping policies on their platform. If you need high-quality suppliers to avoid getting flagged by eBay, then this video will be helpful for you. Dropshippers are weary of eBay flagging their accounts, hence the reason why everyone wants to try different high-quality suppliers. So, many suppliers in the e-commerce marketplace have lost their credibility and are not meeting the required expectations, leading to dissatisfied product buyers. Dropshippers are facing a lot of challenges, which range from Amazon banning buyers' accounts if they are ordering too much to different locations, and AliExpress charging sales tax and VAT on your initial item cost, making you pay twice. This is frustrating for eBay dropshippers, and we need to look for better opportunities that enable our business to thrive in these trying times. This difficult situation for sellers makes people say that dropshipping is dead or dying. However, this is just a changing phase, just like every other business. What then can we do as dropshippers with the recent seller account scrutiny? We adapt to the new rules and strategies to stay in the business because we have to deal with marketplaces like Amazon and AliExpress. The suppliers that I will be revealing to you are of high quality, and this might make their prices higher. It's much better to get quality products at a higher price than to patronize low-quality product suppliers with faster shipping times to different locations and risk being flagged by eBay. The very first dropshipping supplier, which you might already know, is Banggood. Banggood has a variety of items in their storage, and they mainly ship items from China, while providing pretty low prices compared to other Chinese marketplaces. It also has storage in other countries like the United States and continents like Europe. The good reason for working with Banggood as a supplier is that they are dropship friendly. This means the more you buy products from them, the lower the prices you will get from Banggood. You can get a big discount of 20% off for all items you get through this supplier. To know more about their dropshipping levels and how to achieve each available level, you can read their website. Also, most importantly, don't forget to use the cashback when buying from Banggood. The second of my favorite suppliers from China is Superbuy. This supplier made this list because they allow you to control your items in their virtual warehouse. You can browse through Chinese websites such as 1688 or Tmall and purchase your preferred products to be delivered to their warehouse. Once your purchased items arrive at their warehouse, they will be displayed, and this allows you to inspect photos of the items to see if they fit the desired description. By doing this, you can get good pricing from local Chinese suppliers and control your stock yourself using a third-party fulfillment center. Two things worthy of mentioning here include, first, most of the time, using Superbuy as a supplier. All taxes are paid and your package will not stop at customs for clearance, which means faster delivery. Second, Chinese local suppliers mostly allow you to order a minimum of 2 pieces of a particular product, so things get harder. However, this makes it way easier to source unique items and always be in control of your stock. Various suppliers offer fast shipping of the most popular items on AliExpress for dropshippers, and I'm sure you can access these by searching for the right keywords. However, as a long-time dropshipper on eBay, I suggest you start looking for unique suppliers and work directly with local Chinese sellers from anywhere across the globe. This process allows you to save thousands of dollars on item prices and shipping. This is a complicated method and might take some time to research and get information on what you may be able to sell on eBay or elsewhere, but it's worth the time because you are cutting out the middlemen like Banggood or Superbuy. This method works best if you sell a single item category or have items that are made on demand, also known as print on demand. To find the local Chinese supplier, first, you have to decide which category of the item you will be selling on eBay. After you have done that, the hard work of finding the right supplier for you begins. Initially, you have to write to many suppliers on Alibaba and make inquiries from them. Most of them will offer you the option to buy in bulk and have it shipped to you, but you have to keep trying to find a supplier who will agree to ship items one by one as you desire. In that situation, you will be given tracking numbers that are shipped right from China's warehouse, and you will be able to avoid dropshipping policy violations. If you work well and do your job properly, by selling many items from the same supplier. I am sure you will be getting better pricing. So your goal as a dropshipper is to achieve the level where you can work with a single or few suppliers directly from China. It's up to strategize how your order flow and payment method will be. This is the only way to do legit dropshipping business on eBay. Now that you know what suppliers to use, you must know how to run more than one eBay account to scale your business. Click image on the left. Or if you would like to know how to increase eBay sales, click image on the right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.